I'm going to walk you through the steps on replacing a servo drive on one of our machines. First thing we need to do is power down the machine. All right, before performing any electrical work inside the cabinet, please make sure you follow all applicable lockout and tagout procedures. Now that we've let the power dissipate out of the drives, we're going to go ahead and start disconnecting everything. First, we need to remove the faceplate cover of the drive. Press down and pull out to remove the drive cover. Now we can go ahead and start disconnecting all of the connectors. Remove the drive cables from their latches on the drive. Use a Torx T20 screwdriver to remove the grounding strap cords. Next, we have to remove the cables from the bottom of the drive. Pull down on the orange tabs and remove the cable from the bottom of the drive. Now, using a Torx T25, loosen the screws at the top and bottom of the drive so you can slide the drive out. The final step, we're going to slide the drive up on the slotted screws and remove the drive. Now that your old drive is removed, you can just go ahead, take the new drive, reinstall it by reversing the steps that you've just done. Once you're ready to power the machine back on, the parameters will automatically download from the HMI into the drive, so you don't need to do anything to reconfigure the machine.